Okay, hi guys. So now I'm gonna show you how to do electrolysis on your tank. So you don't need to put the tank into some bucket here inside it, but it's helped me, not to spill all over, and if I have maybe leak and water go out, so I put it in this plastic bucket. But you need to put the electrical current through your tank, so it would clean from the inside. First thing what you need to do is to fill up the holes under it, and then put the water in. And I already put 10 liters. This is 21-liter tank, so I've already put some 12 liters of water, and now I will put soda, but not baking soda, but washing soda, just the regular one that you can buy in some shops. And I put like, I don't know, third of the bag inside. Let's say this bag is enough for 3 times, or maybe 4 even. Okay, I'm just eyeballing you. So now let's fill up the tank with the rest with water. I'll put some more. Okay, so the tank is now full, and one part of the tank here, I use the place where the bolts go for the tank. You need to clean that part because it will be all cathode, I think, and you will put the negative side on the tank, and the positive side you will put on anode, and anode you will make of the raw steel, so just plain steel, not don't use zinc ones or plated metal, because you need the raw metal and brush it. So I did this L shape. Do you see it? Yes, I did this L shape because then when I put it in the tank you will have as large surface as is possible to have for this process, because that will help you a lot with this process. And as you can see here, I put the duct tape here and here because I want to avoid that this one is touching the tank, because if it's touched the tank, then you have the reaction, then you actually connect the battery, negative and positive side of battery, and you will have problem. So I will put this, and I put here just a styrofoam, and some cup to help me install this. So we put this in here. If I leave it like this, it will touch. Nothing should be happening, but let's avoid that all the way. So we use duct tape. And put straight up. Another one, just to be okay. So now my anode is not touching the tank, so I can connect. That's it. Yes, I can connect. So you will have the battery, you will have the plain simple charger that I will put there like this. I will put charging of battery like you will do when charging. Okay, and then I made myself these small clamps, you know, just to have them to connect this. I think so. Plus to plus, minus to minus. So minus go there on the tank, anywhere on the tank, just need to be clean area, and then plus you go here. And if you have your anode touching the tank, you will know it, because it will start to smoke and the reaction is quite violent, so be careful with that. But if not, nothing will happen. So if you have on your charger, if you have the gauge, you know, to show you the amperes, then you will see it got some current in it, and it will drop by time. And why it will drop? Because your anode, I use this metal, but it's too thin. Use this metal for anode and see what's happened here. Look, you know, the metal is, you know, simply vanishing. So as more as you build up the gunk on this anode, you will have less current and less job done. So you need to periodically, my maybe advice is, you know, leave it for 12 hours or so, and then remove it, or even day, and then remove it, brush your anode and put it back in again. And you will see after a couple of hours, because now you don't see anything, but just so for a couple of hours here it will start to bubbling. It will be like really nasty gunk coming out. So you see the gunk that I was talking about start building up. It's some really nasty shit, but the process is great. And actually you need to clean it, so after the couple of times you just rinse your tank, look inside. If you're satisfied, you're done. If not, give it another go. With this I managed to remove those, you know, that you saw in my last video, those parts, those what is that, amber that somebody poured inside. I managed to lose it, and now I'm just cleaning the tank like a preparation for coating. Just one more reminder here: if you don't use the bare metal, use plated metal like zinc or something, you could end up with a really toxic fumes in this process. So be careful, you know. You need to use bare metal, and then there is no toxic fumes from this process. See you guys.